Now, before you go and throw this trash in the dumpster, make sure you dig through it first, because if you're an FPV pilot like myself, you have multiple forms of media that you're using at all times. There's a very good possibility that you have something like this inside your trash. And if you throw it away, you're throwing away something that's a lot more important than you actually think. If you're still wondering what this is, all it is an SD card. And we use this for cameras, but more specifically, we use this for our drones. And what makes this particular product by SanDisk unique is that it comes with a 2-year membership to a data recovery service called Rescue Pro Deluxe. I'll leave a link in the description down below for one of the cheapest ones that you can find on Amazon. In case for some reason you don't have one of these in your trash, then you can just go ahead and pick one of those up, and then you can recover your footage using that. In order to demonstrate this properly, I'm gonna need to go outside and fly around a little bit. That way I can really show you what this actually does. Now I'm gonna do something that you absolutely should never do. I'm gonna go into the goggles and format the SD card. The reason why I'm doing that is because I wanna show you guys how easy it is to be able to get that footage back. Let me explain. All right, so you got your trash and now you wanna know what to do. First of all, you're gonna wanna open up a browser and you're gonna wanna go to SanDisk.com. I'll leave a link in the description down below to make it a little bit easier for you guys. But basically what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna go to support. You're gonna wanna go to software downloads. And then while you're in software downloads, you're gonna wanna scroll down until you see something that's called Rescue Pro Deluxe. You can download it for Windows or Mac. In this case, I'm gonna go ahead and download it for Mac because that's what I'm currently on. And then once it's finished downloading, then you're gonna be able to find a zip file. So you're gonna wanna unzip that. And then from there, what it's gonna do is it's gonna ask you to put Rescue Pro into your applications folder. And as you can see, it's right here. So boom. So then what we're gonna do is we're gonna open it up. Rescue is an app downloaded from the internet. Are you sure you wanna open it? Yes, you do. If this prompts you to do a password, obviously just put your password in. And then a licensing agreement is gonna pop up. Obviously hit OK. You're going to see Rescue Pro Deluxe open up. From here, what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna go find this little piece of trash that you found in the trash, and you'll notice on the inside right here, a serial number. And that license key is what's gonna give you your 2-year subscription to Rescue Pro Deluxe. And then you can get started with recovering your footage. So we're gonna go ahead and type that in right now. Make sure that you include those dashes in there, otherwise you're not gonna be able to move forward. But once you get that done, obviously just click next. And then from here, you're gonna wanna just put in all of your information. And as you can see up here, it says activation and activated. So we're just gonna go ahead and close this. And now it looks like we're good to go. So now we're gonna take the SD card out of these goggles. So we got the SD card now. And we're gonna go ahead and toss it right into the reader. Now, as you can see, we have the HD0 folder, but there's nothing inside of it. The reason why is because we formatted it. So we're gonna head over to Rescue Pro Deluxe and go to Recover Audio and Video. So it's scanning the connected devices right now. 31.9, I know that's the one. So we're gonna go ahead and click that and then hit start. And then now we play the waiting game. Oh yeah. Hey, comment below your favorite retro video game down in the comment section right now. 18 seconds left. Let's see what we got from here, guys. Okay, cool. So let's check to see this output folder and see what we got. Okay, so we have a couple of files here. One is an old file. One is one that says MTS. Let's see if I can just open it up in Premiere. If I can open it up in Premiere, then I'm good. Okay, so this is the original one right here, the original file right here. Let's see if we can dump this in here. Perfect. Okay, cool. So as you guys can see, this is the footage right here that we did delete, and now it's back. So that's perfect. This worked perfectly. And that's a great solution for if you do accidentally delete your footage. All you gotta do is get the serial code entered in here, and you got a 2-year membership, you guys. You're good to go. Now, this tool is incredibly useful for if you accidentally delete your footage, but I'm gonna be real with you guys. If something is corrupt, you gotta go with something different. And I know firsthand because I tried taking the footage that I lost when I was filming the McDonald's video. No. I probably lost the footage too, which would suck. So with that said, here's a second step on what you can do if you accidentally corrupt some of your footage, and there's multiple ways you can corrupt footage. Now, unfortunately, this one is not free. How this service works is it's gonna basically charge you for how big the file is. If you're flying analog, for the most part, analog is pretty small files. Like the McDonald's one was like a gig maybe. So since it's only a gig, it's only about $8 to be able to recover. Let me show you guys real quick how that process works. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna wanna go to Cleverfiles.com. I'll leave a link in the description below, just like I said before, and you'll import your footage into there. Once you import your footage into there, what it's going to do is it's going to analyze the footage, make sure that it's good to go, and then once it's finished analyzing everything, it'll either tell you that it was able to fix it or it wasn't able to fix it. Now, I will say that I have been in a situation where it says that it wasn't able to do it, and then I just ran it through again, and then it said, okay, here it is, we found it, we were able to put it together. So don't think that the first try is going to be the end-all be-all. Go ahead and try it one more time and see if it worked that time. Then what it's going to do is going to ask you to put the file before your corrupt footage file was recorded, and what you'll do then is just toss that in there. I will say that I chose the smallest file that I could find, and I put that in there, and that worked perfectly fine. I don't know if you absolutely have to put the one that's directly before it. So I just chose the smallest one because I just figured it would take less time to analyze it, and as you know, when you have to sit there and analyze it, you gotta find some things to do. it takes a while sometimes. Sucks to suck, nerd. Okay, this is good news. Perfect. So this is the low resolution short example, and then you can pay $8 to get this clip back. Now that you've gone through all that stress and anxiety to make sure that you get all that deleted footage back and all that corrupt footage put back together, you're just gonna throw that right into a folder, right? No, it's gonna sit there and collect dust. You're gonna wanna show this off to some people. And the only way to do that is to be able to learn a little bit of video editing. So I made a video that's right here. It's 3 easy steps on how you can take your FPV footage and learn how to really put it into a really cool space. So check that video out, you guys, if you wanna learn a little bit about video editing. And I really appreciate you guys checking this video out. If you like stuff like this and you wanna continue to keep on watching, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button, and we will see you guys on the next video.